Hi, I am going to show you how to use NetBeans and how to create an HTML website. So first, we go to File, and then we go to New Project. And you want to have it on HTML5 and JavaScript because we're going to be using HTML. And then we would want it to have the very first one. For the project name, I'm just going to name it Test2 and click Next. We keep this as a default for the site template. And then we unclick all of these boxes because we do not use these. And you click Finish and we create the project. Okay, as you see here, it says Test2, which is the project we created. Okay, for this is all just comments, so we can get rid of this. This is the default title that they give you, so I'm going to get rid of that, customize it ourselves, and put the same thing I named the project, which is Test2. And then, okay, and my microphone stopped recording, so I will just say this again. Here is where your project is, which is Test2, and that's where it is. And then we got rid of the comments on the top, and then we got rid of the default title, and we put Test2 instead. And then here is the body, where if you type it in, that's where the website is going to show what you type in, and we put in Hello World. And here we picked the Chrome as our default. Make sure. And then we press the play button to run it up. HTML. Let's give it a second. Usually it will just pop up. Let's run it again just in case. Okay. And there we go. We see it says Hello World, just as we typed in the box, and then it was able to be on the Chrome. That's it.